Run it on. I wake up. Yeah.
What the fuck? That's not appropriate, bro. Shocker that Hector's by the big dick, right?
Good times.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good? Are you me? Look at Tampa 125 trying to look like a fucking pimp with that haircut. Oh, shit! Photobomber!
Oh, shit.
Damn, bro. Tampa 125.
Check out the whip.
The whip? Oh, you duct taped your shit. This fucking guy. Watch out, French toast. Look at this shit. He got the dank wheelie. He's got the smiley face, the photobomber. No loop, no poopies. Clap to clap. Shit. Pay rent designs. When they fucking pull me over, I'm gonna say it's you and vice versa.
Identity theft is not a joke, Ryan.
So I ordered this, but it came in, it looked like that. So I decided not to wear it. But apparently Alex just said fuck it and just wore it. Jesus Christ, bro. Turn around, there's like a thong. You got a thong? It's right up your asshole. They look better on the model. We're gonna get this shit started here in a second. We'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, it is time for the Halloween ride here in Tampa. What's up, Lewis? Lewis here?
Yeah, I'm here.
We got Lewis Stunts on the Cardo now.
Can you hear me?
Hey, sound good? Alright, here we go. It's gonna be bonkers.
X gon' give it to you.
Oh, wait, look at you. Tyler's all fucking. Look at Tyler's mask. He got fucking X's over his eyes. Alright, let me secure the camera before we get buck wild here. Carnival, yeah. There we go, seconds. Yeah, I got him back, baby. Lewis, I got seconds back. Nope, I lost him. Hey, Amber. Amber is a thing. What'd you say she was? Cinderella? Pocahontas? Robin Hood? Red Riding Hood? Robin Hood? Red Riding Hood? She's that. Alright, so this is obviously a ride out type video, so it's not gonna be monetized. So if you guys want to support the channel, I do appreciate it. Link down below. Oh, scrapes! No! Oh man, I could have kept that one going. I'm a bitch, Lewis. Alright, once we get out of this darkness, I'll show you guys some more of these costumes that are out here tonight. It's a little bonkers. I see a pinata over there. Lewis, go kick him. Kick the pinata. Beat the shit out of him until he gives you candy. Where's that? I want to see that dick flop in the wind. Ah! Oh shit, that was one in his butthole. That was a demonetization. He's got that double pegger life. I want to friend him on Facebook. Hey, Photobomber, where are you taking us? I cannot pull up second sit downs for the life of me, bro. Hey, kill switch. We're on the well lit road, so I'm gonna take a couple pictures. See if I can get skeleton dick up here. Hey, get on this side. Is that the chopper again? I'm pretty sure that's the chopper. Yeah, that's the chopper. Chopper's up! What's up, Photobomber? You got a picture of me? Yeah. Hey, make sure you send it to me tonight, okay? Oh, here's the hood right here. I've only once done a cool wheelie by the hood. I feel like I can't even put DMX in my videos anymore. Street credit's gone. This road is not meant for wheelies, man. Hey, can I grab your wheel?
Yeah.
Alright, let me grab it right now. Oh, we're going down the fucking walking path. Oh my god, dude. Rip.
It's a beautiful day in the state.
Well, it's gonna be this type of ride, I guess. Oh, there goes one. I don't know. Keep going, go, go, go! He's trying to stand on the fucking walking trail with a tail. Another person went down. Thunderbird went down up on the bridge. I'll break it off. We go to the fucking skate. If we go to the skate park, I'm breaking off. There's bad juju in the nope, I'll see you on the other side. Oh shit, bro. The fucking bull. Does that come down? Oh, it goes up. Hit that rail. I'm getting the fuck out of here before the chopper comes. That's bad juju. Let's go!
Yeah, I had to. It was good though. It was good. It started off
You're like the bad photogrammer. I'm the responsible photogrammer. Take my goddamn name off right now. I'm a kid-friendly channel. Oh, you're done. You're done. Rip in the puddle. Shit. That felt good. You're gonna have a fucking ringworm now. Thumbs up. I want to take some pictures, but no one's doing wheelies. I don't even know what you're doing. Lewis, back up. Photobomb was taking pictures. Hopefully no one hits that flex. Hey Lewis, right now you got a photogrammer sandwich happening. We're the bread, you're the meat. Whoa, get these fucking hooligans in check. You're not doing your job.
There's way too many of them. Your tape's coming undone. Hey, I'm fixing your tape.
I'm fixing your tape.
The real Photogromer.
It don't matter. Take your pick, you can have us both. 2 for 1. BOGO. Lewis, let's go play Call of Duty. I don't want to play IRL anymore. So obnoxious. Alright, let me get a snap of you. Might as well, right?
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be, huh?
Oh shit. I'm like crash into a fucking Nissan.
Trying to be Photo Bill.
Photo biller?
Photo Bill.
Oh god. Watch. Cop's just gonna start yanking people off. Pop your mind all, people. It's about to get loud in here. So loud. If I was that cop, I would block traffic just to get us the fuck out of here. Oh, dude. He just got pulled off his... Man. Bone Dick just got pulled off his Grom. He's got a dick hanging out. His dick's hanging out talking to the cop. I mean, it's not funny because he's got like a bone dick hanging out, but it's kind of funny. I don't know what he got him on, but... Sorry, bro. I probably jinxed him when I said it might be funny if you're talking to a cop and your skeleton penis pumps up. Get the fuck out of that hotness. Leading us to a roadblock. Oh shit. Damn. Got him dirty. Dude, that squirrely ass shitty wheelie. It's worse than mine. Good guy, cop. Get out of here. Don't do a shitty wheelie in front of the cop. Thanks, bald brother. For free. Oh, there's a cop up here on the left. He's on his phone. He's TikToking. We're good. Where's my clone? Where's the other photobomber? That was his moment to shine with me. I think he stopped with Skeletor Dick. I don't know what's going on downtown. Maybe a concert, but it's hopping. Cops seem to be chill besides the one that got Skeleton Dick. Alright, everyone broke off. End of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Have a good night. Boop. Happy Halloween. That thing. Boop, boop.